Hi guys, lately I find there's a really good stand product, and it shows on the Facebook, Instagram many times. It's just like attached back in your laptop, and it's very compact, and you can just make your laptop have a very good angle to when you sitting on the table and just operate it, and it's very compact. And I find that design they're showing it is very easy to replicate. So I build my own, and I even create a PDF file so you can download it to replicate your own as well. And the only thing you need to cut through is that two line, and the other side is you just want to fold it, and then you just attach back to your laptop, and voila, that is so easy. So yeah, if you guys have interest about DIY stuff to make your own laptop stand, just download it. I will leave the link down below in the comment. So let's do it again in case somebody probably don't know how to use it. So just prepare to print your PDF file. I use in the A4 size, so you just print as the A4 paper, and then just follow the structure that I made. And remember, just cut through these two lines is okay, and then just follow it. And remember, there's a layer inside the cardboard, and keep it vertical. If the vertical means they can stand the weight. If not vertical, they will float very easy. So just keep it in mind. Okay. Okay, if you've done this, that will be the final result, just like this. And you put your stick or whatever you want to hold this side on the back of your laptop. And when the laptop lay down on it, you can switch to angle. You can see here, there's a two angle you can adjustment. Okay, so here it is, the other one. And if you would like, you can make your custom looking, probably here, or probably this don't need to this big. You can cut it off, and voila, that is how I done with this stand. So if you like it, just click the like it button, or probably you can share to someone you know might really like the DIY stuff like this. And if you have more questions, just leave a comment below. And peace, and subscribe if you want. See you guys soon. Bye.